Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 17. In this video I'll show you how to enable vehicle motion source. To reduce motion sickness while in the car, you can go to Settings and Accessibility. Enter Motion and Vehicle Motion Source. Dots appear near the edges of your iPhone screen. They follow the movement of the vehicle and may help reduce motion sickness. You can turn them on and off in Control Center. Select automatically in Vehicle or On. Next, you can customize appearance. You can select pattern and color. Also, you can enable larger dots and more dots. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.